Meet Brant Artman, the artist behind Phoenix Flame Art. This is not an art you get to see every day. Brant creates flame-coloured copper art, something he was introduced in from an early age. As Brant and his parents were walking the streets of Las Vegas, they saw an artist who was drawing board visuals of moons, stars and landscapes with a blank page and spray cans. It immediately fascinated Brant, so when they went home, he created his own rattle can paintings. But they were not amateur looking. They were made with incredible skill and creativity. That is how his love for creating visual art began. Later on in his life, Brant stumbled upon the Copper Colorist, a couple of visual artists and masters of copper flame art from whom he learned a great deal. All of his pieces are 100% copper colored using unique oxidizing techniques. It may seem hard to believe, but all the colors are made by flame, and flame only. When flaming other metal, it doesn't give as many colors, shapes and patterns as copper. With copper, you can get 15 different colors. The color you get depends on how hot the metal gets, as well as how many times you heat the area, and whatever is in the air that day, such as chemicals and debris. You can find Brent on social media as Phoenix Flame Art. There are 111,000 followers on his TikTok account and 6,000 on his Instagram profile. Check out his website too to see all the flame art he's created. And let us know what you think of this incredible flame art in the comments down below.